This is a video on how to use presenter mode. Here is the contents. You can choose the part you want to see. Open Yealink Chrome Connect software and select the camera card. Select device settings. Enable tracking feature. Select presenter tracking from tracking mode drop-down menu. You need to calibrate the lens in advance before using the presenter tracking. Select lens calibration. The presenter tracking has two types of trigger, priority zone and gestures. If select priority zone, set tracking trigger area. Use your mouse or finger to fix the tracking area on the screen and select save. Then select tracking object ratio. Adjust the position of the subject. Select finish. In priority zone, when somebody enters the area, it will be recognized as the following object. If select gestures, set tracking object ratio. Then adjust the position of the subject. Select finish. Speaker need to hold hand up to the camera for more than 2 seconds. When the traffic light off the camera blinks 3 times, the trigger is successful. When the tracked person raises a fist-clenching gesture for tracking to stop, UVC86 recognizes and exits the tracking of that speaker. Select wide area tracking from mode selection drop-down menu. Speaker tracking mode is wide area tracking by default. The camera can track the speaker in the whole picture area. The speaker's activity area not restricted, and the speaker can move around the platform or walk off the stage to interact. Select stage tracking from mode selection drop-down menu. Select tracking effective area. Select the tracking trigger or a finger or mouse frame. The tracking effective area is generally set to theria herethestage / podium is located. Select save. The camera does not track PPE outside the designated area of testage. When the speaker enters the designated area, the camera triggers the speaker tracking. Stage tracking is suitable for lecture, theatre or speech scene. The camera follows the speaker as she moves only within the podium area. After the speaker leaves the stage area, tracking stops and reverts to the default screen. Select segment tracking from mode selection drop-down menu. Select tracking effective area. Select the tracking trigger or a finger or mouse frame. Select next step. You can set number of segments and choose between 1 and 4 segments. Drudgic section area of the hour finger or mouse to determine the trigger area. The tracking effective area is generally set to theria herethestage / podium is located. Select next step. Then the preset position of fetch segment area set separately. Select finish. The segmented mode mainly shows to see off teacher's teaching content. The camera automatically switches to theory near speaker to present the teaching content.